Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to unlock iPhone with simple easy 2 steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. If you are on that screen and you want to unlock your iPhone, just put your iPhone passcode and iPhone will unlock. Now I'm going to tell you the second method. Just place your finger or home button to unlock iPhone with your fingerprint. That's it. Hopefully friends you enjoyed this video. Now just hit the like button and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.